Assalamu alaikum beautiful people. Hope everybody will be fine. Today in this video we will solve B.Ed Biological Science 2021 intense test paper of Manu University with solution and explanation in English and Hindi. Because many students have problem with Urdu language in this examination. So this problem will be solved. And students, I have discussed previous years B.Ed intense test papers in previous videos which links given in the description. So let's solve the questions. I would like to say thank you to Rifat Jahan who had sent this question paper in PDF format. So let's solve the questions. 51 number question is इंसान के जीन में क्रोमोसोम के नंबरात क्या हैं? What are the number of chromosomes in human gene? As you know, 46 number of chromosomes are present in human gene. Option C is correct. Next question. ल्यूकोसाइट्स का दूसरा नाम है. What is the another name of leukocyte? As you know, the leukocyte is also known as WBC, that is white blood cell. Next question. चिकनगुनिया बीमारी की वजह है. चिकनगुनिया is caused by which of the following? As you know, chikungunya is viral disease. It is spread to the people by bite of infected mosquito. So option A is correct, मच्छर. Next question. प्रकिंजय फाइबर्स इंसानी जिस्म के किस आज़ा में होता है? प्रकिंजय फाइबर्स is found in which part of human body? As you know that Purkinje fibers, also known as Purkinje tissue, which are located in the inner ventricular wall of heart. So correct option is heart, that means दिल. Next question. पौधों में गैसों की गुजरगाह किसके ज़रिए होती है? The exchange of gases occurs in plants through which of the following? As you know that the exchange of gases occurs in stomata for the purpose of photosynthesis, not occurs in xylem, phloem or vessel. Next question. विटामिन सी की कमी से होने वाले बीमारी का नाम है. What is the name of vitamin C deficiency disease? As you know, vitamin C deficiency disease name is scurvy. So correct option is D. Next question. कौन सा पौधा लेग्यूमिनस है? Here some spelling mistakes. Not leguminous, leguminous. That means which of the following plant is leguminous? Let us some example of leguminous plants. Pea, red grams, lentils, black grams, soybean, etc. are some example of leguminous plants. So soybean is correct option. Next question. फेगोसाइटोसिस के जरिए कौन खाना खाता है? Who eats food through phagocytosis? As you know, amoeba ingest their food by phagocytosis, as well as mode of feeding in hydra is through phagocytosis. Option A is hydra, option B is amoeba. Both option is correct. Next question. पल्स ऑक्सीमीटर किसकी पैमाइश करता है? पल्स ऑक्सीमीटर measures which of the following? As you know, pulse oximeter is a test used to measure the oxygen level or oxygen saturation in blood. So correct option is SpO2. Next question. क्रोमोसोम्स के आखिर एंड को कहते हैं. What is end of chromosome called? As you know that the end of chromosomes called telomeres. Option C is correct. Next question. एमाइलेज किस ग्लैंड से निकलता है? Amylase is released from which of the following gland? As you know that amylase is released from salivary glands. So option A is correct. Next question. इंसानी जिस्म में सबसे ठोस मादा है. What is the hardest substance in human body? As you know that the tooth enamels is the hardest substance in human body. So option B is correct. Next question. किसके खून को हीमोलाइम्फ कहा जाता है? Whose blood is called hemolymph? As you know that the blood of insects, that is grasshopper, is called hemolymph. Here option is here billy, चूहा, झिंगुर. झिंगुर means grasshopper or insects. So grasshopper contain hemolymph. So C option is correct. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इंसानी जिस्म का नॉर्मल ब्लड प्रेशर होता है. नॉर्मल ब्लड प्रेशर ऑफ ह्यूमन बॉडी. द नॉर्मल ब्लड प्रेशर ऑफ ह्यूमन बॉडी इज लेस दैन 120/80 mm of Hg. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. जिस्म के सभी हिस्सों में दिल से खून किसके जरिए जाता है? थ्रू विच पार्ट द ब्लड फ्लो from heart to all part of human body? As you know that arteries carry blood away from the heart and veins carry blood back to the heart. So here correct option is A, arteries. Next question. आफाकी तौर पर खून हासिल करने वाला यूनिवर्सल ब्लड एक्सेप्टर ब्लड ग्रुप होता है. Which of the following is universal blood acceptor? As you know that universal blood acceptor is AB plus group because it has both antibodies anti-A, anti-B as well as Rh antigen. So correct option is C. Next question. नेफ्रॉन किसकी फंक्शनल यूनिट है? नेफ्रॉन is the functional unit of which of the following? As you know that the functional unit of kidney is nephron. So correct option is B, गुर्दा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. डीएनए में मुंदरजा झैल नहीं होता. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एब्सेंट इन डीएनए? एज यू नो दैट यूरासिल इज एब्सेंट इन डीएनए because there are 4 bases present in DNA: AT, CG. In AT, adenine, thymine, there are 2 hydrogen bonding. In guanine and cytosine, there are 3 hydrogen bonding. In RNA, uracil is present in place of thymine. So in DNA, uracil is absent. So correct option is D. Next question. फर्मेंटेशन किस तरह का अम्ल है? फर्मेंटेशन इज which type of process? As you know that fermentation is a chemical reaction by which carbohydrates or sugar such that starch and glucose are broken down due to absence of oxygen. So fermentation is occurs in the absence of oxygen. So it is anaerobic reaction. B is the correct option. Next question. फूल का फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव हिस्सा है. The female reproductive part of flower. As you know that pistils is the female reproductive part of flower which is located in the center of flower. So correct option is C. Next question. Pseudocole किसमें पाई जाती है? Pseudocole is found in which of the following? As you know that pseudocole is found in animals belong to phylum Nematoda. So correct option is C. Next question. ओफियोलॉजी में मुताला किया जाता है. ओफियोलॉजी is the study of which of the following? Ophiology is the branch of biology that study about snakes. So correct option is यानी सांपों का स्टडी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सेल को किसने दरियाफ्त किया? विच साइंटिस्ट डेवलप्ड सेल? एज यू नो, रॉबर्ट हुक डेवलप्ड सेल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इनमें से कौन प्रोकैरियोट्स है? विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज प्रोकैरियोट्स? एज यू नो दैट organisms which do not have a true nucleus are called prokaryotes, that is bacteria, blue green algae, etc. So here bacteria given, so correct option is B. Next question, हिंदुस्तान में साइंस डे किसकी याद में मनाया जाता है? साइंस डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड इन इंडिया in the memory of which of the following scientist? As you know that Science Day is celebrated in the memory of C.V. Raman. So here option given Subramanian C.V. Raman. Option B is correct. Next question, दर्ज झेल में सही का इंतखाब करें. Choose the correct sequence in which of the following? Here option given the excretion part of human body. So as you know that the correct sequence of excretion of urine from kidney to urethra, as you know that the tubes which are connect the kidney and bladder is known as ureter. So first is kidney, then ureter, then bladder, then urethra where urine is removed. So correct option is kidney, ureter, urethra, kidney, bladder, kidney, ureter, bladder, urethra. D option is correct. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, गोल्जी apparatus की ओरिजिन बुनियाद क्या है? What is the origin of Golgi apparatus? As you know that the Golgi apparatus originates from endoplasmic reticulum. So the origin of Golgi apparatus is endoplasmic reticulum, ER. Next question, राइबोसोम्स बनता है. Where ribosomes are made? As you know, ribosomes are made in nucleolus. So correct option is A. Next question, एंजाइम एक्शन का लॉक और की का उसूल किसने दिया? नेम द साइंटिस्ट एसोसिएटेड विथ लॉक एंड की थ्योरी ऑफ एंजाइम एक्शन. एज यू नो, लॉक एंड की थ्योरी was given by Fisher scientist, in which key act as substrate and lock act as enzyme, then combine to form key and lock theory. So it is given by Fisher scientist. Option D is correct. Next question, अदरक में खाना कहाँ स्टोर होता है? In ginger, food is stored in which of the following part? As you know, in ginger, food is stored in stem or underground part, तना. So option A is correct. Here given in leaf, here given in roots, here given in branches. Option A is correct, in stem. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दही में कौन सा बैक्टीरिया मौजूद होता है? विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बैक्टीरिया इज प्रेजेंट इन कर्ड? एज यू नो, लैक्टोबैसिलस बैक्टीरिया इज प्रेजेंट इन कर्ड. तो ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मुंदरजा झेल में कौन एंटीबायोटिक है? विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एंटीबायोटिक? Here option given: tetramycin, tetracycline, cyclohexane and penicillin. These are some example of antibiotic. So all option is correct. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वायरस से कौन सी बीमारी नहीं होती? Which of the following disease is not caused by virus? Here option given: flu, it is a viral disease; tuberculosis, it is a infectious disease, so it is not viral disease. So option C is correct. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मुंदरजा झेल में किसका फूल यूनिसेक्सुअल नहीं है? Which of the following is not a unisexual flower? Here option given: papaya, it is not a unisexual; maize, it is not a unisexual; pumpkin, it is also not unisexual; mustard, it is a bisexual flower. So option D is correct. Next question, कौमी यौम साइंस कब मनाया जाता है? In India, Science Day is celebrated on 28th February. So option B is correct. Next question, RNA में पाई जाने वाली शुगर होती है? Which sugar is found in RNA? As you know that sugar found in RNA is ribose sugar or D-ribose sugar. It is a 5-member carbon sugar found in RNA. So ribose sugar is correct. Next question, रीढ़ की हड्डी दिमाग के किस हिस्से से निकलती है? स्पाइनल कॉर्ड passes through which part of brain? Spinal cord passes through medulla of brain, which is located bottom of the brain. So correct option is medulla. Next question, सेल में सबसे ज़्यादा किस तरह का RNA होता है? What type of RNA is most abundant in a cell? As you know that the ribosomal RNA, that means rRNA, is most abundant in a cell. So correct option is A. Next question, खून के जमने में मुंदरजा झेल खलिया मदद करती है? Which of the following helps in blood clotting? As you know, platelets or thrombocytes helps in blood clotting. So option C is correct, thrombocytes or platelets. Next question, प्लाज्मा में तकरीबन %% पानी होता है? What amount of water present in plasma? As you know that 90% water present in plasma. So correct option is D. Next question, कोबलेट सेल किसको बनाती है? कोबलेट सेल make which of the following? As you know that mucins are continuously made and secreted by goblet cell in order to repair mucus layer. Sugar, it is not a correct. Mucus, it is a correct option. Next question, कोलेजिन में सबसे ज़्यादा मौजूद होता है? Which of the following is most abundant in collagen? As you know that different amino acids are present in collagen. So correct option is amino acid. Because collagen is a main structural protein, it is most abundant protein in animal, and collagen consists of amino acid. So option A is correct. Next question, मेंडल का मोनोहाइब्रिड तनासिब क्या है? What is the Mendelian monohybrid cross ratio? As you know, the Mendelian monohybrid cross ratio is 3:1. So correct option is B. Next question, जिन्नियात का बानी किसे कहा जाता है? The founder of genetics. As you know that Gregor Mendel is known as father of genetics. So option C is correct. Next question. फोटोसिंथेसिस का अम्ल कहाँ होता है? Where does the photosynthesis takes place? It is a repeated question. Photosynthesis takes place in the chloroplast. So correct option is A, chloroplast. Next question. थायराइड ग्लैंड से निकलने वाला हार्मोन है? Name the hormone secreted by thyroid gland. The hormone secreted by thyroid gland is thyroxine. Cholesterol. It is incorrect. Thyroxine. Incorrect. Thyroxine. It is a correct option. Next question. इंसान के खून की pH की वैल्यू क्या होती है? What is the pH value of human blood? As you know that the pH value of human blood is lie between 7.35 to 7.45. It is slightly alkaline. That means base. So human blood is basic. So correct option is B. Next question. इंसुलिन किस ग्लैंड से बनता है? That means insulin is secreted by which of the following gland? As you know that pancreas secretes insulin. So correct option is D. Next question. हीमोग्लोबिन में कौन से धातु मौजूद होता है? Which of the following metal is present in hemoglobin? As you know that maximum amount of iron is present in hemoglobin. So correct option is C. Next question. पेवेवर सोमनीफेरम से क्या मिलता है? What is obtained from the पेवेवर सोमनीफेरम? As you know that opium is derived as you know that opium is dried latex. As you know that opium is dried latex which are obtained from the seed capsules of opium poppy पेवेवर somniferum. So correct option is B. So students, I have discussed 100 questions from 51. If any doubts regarding these questions, then please comment your questions in the comment box. I try to reply your answer. Thanks for watching.